Hey Jammers! Wait, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, I'll speak loudly then. Alright, here I have seen the new Jamaalidays things. Since it's December, I got my gift when I logged in. I should have recorded. I should have started recording before I got my gift, so I could show you how the Jamaliday calendar looks like. But it's really cool. Jamalidays is my favorite time of year in Animal Jam and also in real life because there's Christmas and really pretty decorations. Alright, so let's start. I got this Happy Jamaalidays mat and okay, let's see. See if there are any. Whoa! They got the epic Jamaliday tree! Yay! I recycled mine because I thought I didn't need it. Because I was non-member in the pile of snowballs. I think I still have my snow stuff in
It's not complicated. Now is better.
On my other account. Let's see. I probably have mine. Here's the stuff I traded for necklaces on my other. I have frozen pond stuff, ice blocks, fireplace, gingerbread houses. This I really love this. It's my favorite item, or something. My favorite non-member item. I replaced this with what's that song? Okay. Okay, let's do the shop. Stripes on, yeah. Should probably get one of those. Okay. Oh, alright, so I thought there would be the ice stand, but there's not. I think they're gonna be on sale again. I hope my membership lasts long enough to buy the ice stand, because I have a bunch of ice stuff that I really want to put in a special den. I think we're getting the gingerbread houses. Gingerbread house den. Oh no! Whoops. This is my own account. I had the I don't have pretty cool. I have this special limited edition reindeers, the jelly, tons of that. Okay, so let's go back to my den. Okay, let's read the news. AJHQ is giving gifts to all jammers every day of the Jamaalidays. Be sure to log in every day to receive your amazing and unique gifts. Reading.
Bakit you have to read with your mouth? Sabi mo, read with your eyes.
Scattered rock all over the surface. In some places, that rock was rich in uranium.
Yeah, it was huge. Really good. Very, very sour tasting on the house. And the only remedy was to
Match is so easy. There are quality guys. Cute, funny, great guys. It's a girl.
mentioned that it did work. The one issue he did have, he muffed the punt versus the Washington Redskins as well.